Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to text to speech in CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut. Now add your project to the timeline. Here you will see many options. Among them, click on text option. Now you can add any text you want. After adding the text, you can adjust it. Now at the bottom of the screen you will see text to speech option. Press on the option and here you can select any voice you want to add. Select the one you like and click on the checkmark option. And if you feel okay with the result, export it and save it. Now you are all done. So this is how easily you can text to speech. This is how easily you can text to speech in CapCut.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.